Worker safety and health are the law, a legal requirement, and the penalties can be disastrous if the rules are not followed. Injuries and illnesses of workers are important considerations, but this program is about supervisors, managers, and what they can do to keep themselves from legal penalties, sanctions, and even jail. We'll provide information to help you understand your liabilities and responsibilities and how to help you meet these obligations, because there may be some supervisors and managers who believe they are protected from civil or criminal prosecution by the company for whom they work. Everyone understands that a safety program is designed to protect workers from accidents, injuries, and illnesses. This is accomplished through proper training, maintaining a safe and healthy work environment, and enforcing company rules and policies. In a legal sense, for the safety program to be legally effective, it goes a bit further. In other words, should there be a major accident or fatality, officials will investigate to determine if any rules, procedures, or other safety standards were violated. Let's take a look at this legal process. First, the company is responsible for developing policies, procedures, and company rules to ensure the health and safety of the employees. They must comply with OSHA and other regulatory standards. Generally, this information is provided to supervisors, managers, and employees through training or publication of the information. Before we go much further, let's state that safety managers are not responsible for safety. Safety managers are advisors, trainers, and wear many hats, but a safety manager is not responsible for safety in any company. Look at it this way. Does the safety manager have the power to hire or fire an employee that works for a supervisor or manager? Employees are supervised by managers and supervisors. Therefore, a safety person, who is a staff member, cannot break the chain of command to hire or fire, so he or she is not responsible for the safety of a supervisor's or manager's employees. The safety manager is heavily involved in the safety program, but is not responsible for the safety of employees. The chain of responsibility is basically the president of the company, vice president of operations, line managers, and supervisors, or people who have direct control over employees and production or operations. For a safety program to be judged effective in a court of law, basically several things must be in place. Rules, policies, and procedures must be in place, and everyone must be aware and trained in these policies and procedures. If employees haven't been trained, how can they be expected to follow the rules? Everyone, including supervisors and managers, must be trained in the general hazards to which they may be exposed. This is basically an employee orientation on the general hazards of the work, basic safety rules, conduct, and behavior.